winning coach this afternoon, Lenny Hyde, Teacher Hyde. Lenny, congratulations first of all for this victory. Talk to us about the game today.
Well, it was up and down for most parts. We wasn't consistent throughout the 90. Edwin Allen team tried to press us high, and hence we were rushing it. We tried to go to goal with every possession we got, and it's not the Clarendon College way. We need to be more patient with the ball today. Anytime we put on the ball and pass the ball, we score goals. So we didn't show that composure and this patience today. We were eager to score. I asked them why you want to score so much goal, So we needed to be more patient today.
So in total, you guys have scored a lot of goals. Are you working on the emphasis on goal scoring? Are you still trying to solidify defense? How you keep that balance?
Yeah, man, you have to score goal,
But how you balance the teams by scoring that amount of goals and also defending so well?
That's how we coach, Sometimes we split up the team and we have the defensive work. We instill clean sheet, That is a must at the club. We only gave up 2 goals already, so we insist on that first. I coach defense first. We coach from the back go up. So that's why you see the balance with both parts of the team. We defended well. The transition from offense to defense, we need to work in that area some more, but we are getting there, and by mid-season we'll see a different intensity, we bring out the ball,
Kyle Dixon, when a leading goal scorer in the Dakar Cup, I think overall a leading goal scorer in schoolboy football. But how you utilize him, is it instruction for him to come that deep, or that's just his natural tendency?
No, instruction. We don't want to play this open long ball up there. We want him come and play with the midfielders. That the midfielder can pass him and they also can score. But he's phenomenal. He's an engine room for us. He works hard. He want to score every game. He's all over the pitch. The players feed off of him. His energy brings the team to life every time. I always use him as an example. His energy level is up there and he wants to win every time. So he's a plus for the team.
Captain Malachi Douglas, overall, basically the engine of the team. How important to have a player with such intelligence, understanding of the ball game, and dictation of the football? How important to have a player like that?
Very, very important.
And what's your assessment of him?
Every big team need a player like that. Every team have to have a player like that. He's a captain. The players feed off him. His energy also. He works hard. He demands a lot from the players. He's at training. He's pushing himself. He wants to get to the next level. That is his problem. He just needs to take it a step at a time and wait. He always want to push to the higher level. I said, just behave yourself and humble. You will get there. Just continue playing with the age group and you will reach where you want to reach.
You think that hunger to want to be one of the best is what drives him to be the type of player
Yes, man. He talks about it all the while. He can't wait till the Premier League starts. He's thinking ahead. We said, no, big man, we could penetrate this first. We could deal with the Costa Cup first.
Coach, finally,
he's a plus to have in the team.
For me, in short, you talk about the rough game starting from Edwin Allen. Did you really expect this game to go this way, a 3-0 victory? To me, in the second half, it was a walk in the park for you. Do you expect this easy game?
I never expect them to come so hard, But you don't know it's a Clarendon rivalry, a derby game and as such. They don't want us to beat them. So we'd expect that, But all I told the players, just 2 touch. Just try and get it out of your foot as quickly as possible. We don't want to get no injuries going into the second round. They're a bit tired also now, so we give them this 2 days off. On Tuesday, them come back running, So it's the training will step up from Tuesday. All right. Going forward for the next round,
All right, coach. Well done and congrats, sir.
Yeah, man. Respect.